Hey everybody, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It's me, Wendy B., your favorite realtor in Southwest Florida, and with the Southwest Florida Experience. Working on everything currently. Right now, we are at one of our homes that we have under contract, and we are going to do a walkthrough to make sure that everything that they said they were going to repair will be repaired. So it's got to meet FHA standards, and we are protected as I protect my buyers. But we'll be here, and we'll be going in just a moment. All right, hope everybody's having a great day. And Max, here's Max. He's staring at the door. All right, happy Tuesday. All right, so now, before my clients get here, we're gonna walk through and make sure all of this has been fixed. All right, sliders. Oh yeah. All right, that works. All right, now, look at this. We got a brand new electrical panel, brand new breakers. That was one of the big ones. All right, now, let's see if they tightened up the toilet. Do you guys want to see the coolest shower? The right is hot and the left is cold. That was one of the things that we wanted fixed. I don't know if you can come out here and fix that for the buyers, or if there's a way to do it underneath. All right, and we finished with our making sure that they did the repairs that they agreed with, which they did. There's a couple little things, but sometimes we can't ask for everything, can we? But I do my best to get my buyers what they want and what they need to be able to pass FHA, but we are still waiting on our appraisal. So some more things may come up, and we'll be ready. All right, bye.